Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Science Simplified, and today we're going to solve this unbalanced chemical equation of photosynthesis. Now in the previous video I talked about how to solve chemical equations step by step, so if you haven't watched that already, please do and comment down below if you have any questions or concerns, and I will answer them right away. So let's get into it. As I said, this is the chemical equation of photosynthesis. But let's understand what's happening. Okay, so in photosynthesis, it's sun's light energy, which doesn't have a chemical equation, so we have to exclude that. But besides that, it's carbon dioxide and water go through a chemical process to give us sugar, C6H12O6 plus oxygen. Now, let's solve it, shall we? Let's start. Now, what I would like to do to make everything easier is to create a chart and list down all the elements and molecules with how many there are in the entire equation. But as you do more exercise, you're going to master the skill of just doing them in your head quickly. But right now, it is better and it's for the best to just do it by listing everything down. So first of all, we're going to start with carbon. How many carbon do we have? We have only one here. And then it's oxygen. How many oxygen do we have? We have 2 here, and there's another 3. And then hydrogen, there's 2. That's the reactant side. Now let's go to the product side and do the exact same thing in order. So it's carbon. How many carbon do we have? We have 6. And then we have oxygen after that. How many oxygen? There's 2 here and there's 6 here. 2 and 6 is 8. And then we have hydrogen lastly. How many is that? It's 12. Now, for me, what I'd like to do is that I'd like to start with complex molecules, which in this case is the hydrogen. Okay, 12 and 2, okay, is the biggest one we have right now. So let's try and solve this one first. Okay, I'm just going to change the colors. It's easier. So we're trying to turn this 2 into 6, right? So we're just going to put a 6 here, right? 6 times 2, this becomes 12. But it also affects the oxygen. So there's 6 oxygen with another 2, it's 8 oxygen now. Right? Now we have our hydrogen sorted, we have our oxygen sorted, but it's our carbon that's not sorted out. Okay, it's 1 and 6. So we're going to put a 6 here. So it fixes the carbon, but it also affects our oxygen. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 and 6 is 18. It changed our oxygen to 18. Right? Now we have 18 oxygen. But it's not complete yet, right? Because it's now 8 and 18. So we have to do something here, right? What can we do? What plus 6 gives us 18, right? It's 12 plus 6 that gives us 18. So we just have to 12 divided by 2. We have to put a 6 here, right? Because 6 times 2 is 12, and 12 plus 6 is 18. We get an 18 here. Now everything looks good. We have 6 carbon, 18 oxygen, and 12 hydrogen. But let's recount everything. So make sure we didn't do anything wrong. Let's recount everything. So it should be 6 oxygen here. So 6 carbon. Sorry, 6 carbon. There's only 6 carbon here. It's fine, and there's only 6 carbon. So this one here, this is fine. I should use it right. Now we should have 18 oxygen. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. Okay. Now let's check the other side. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. This is fine too. Let's check the hydrogen. We should have 12 on both sides. 6 times 2 is 12. So this is 12 here. And then we should also have 12 here, which we do have 12. So that is it. So 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 6 molecules of water to give us 1 sugar and 6 molecules of oxygen. And this is the balanced equation, chemical equation of photosynthesis. It is that easy. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to comment down below and I will answer them right away. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a good day.